Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited to share with you behind the scene the new experience what I have work as assistant photographer during a photo shoot on amazing Indian restaurant. It was my second time work with the same photographer, and this time we focus capturing the essence of Indian cuisine. But the way I am Monica from Photo in Shadow. I am food and product photographer, and on my channel you can find video about food and product photographer to make easy way. Let's go to see the behind the scene. Being an assistant photographer at Indian restaurant was very incredible experience for me. Give me a deep understand of the collaboration with the chef, with the owner the shop, to make a stunning photo. But the best part of this shoot was like meet new people, learn how shoot in photography, how work a different photography the food, how using the light and props. But I met new people there, like the owner and chef was amazing people, have amazing restaurant really with good food, Indian food. I love Indian food, but there was very good type of the food, the atmosphere, all the photo shoot was so nice. Everybody respect everybody, listening another person, and was more fun than stress to working with new clients. If you enjoy this behind the scene in Indian restaurant shoot, please subscribe my channel if you didn't do yet. Give the button like, leave the comment, will be nice. Thank you for watching today and see you in next video.